Hey guys, I am so excited to have a little self-care evening with you. I have been craving a night like this and I'm just so excited that we get to experience it together. Definitely gonna start off the evening by showing you guys my new laser hair removal routine. Summer is quickly approaching here in Florida, and although it's like summer all year round, I just do not like to have hair on me. I want to not worry about wearing shorts or getting in a bikini. I just want to be hairless. So that's where the Trinity i15 Pro comes in. I personally hate shaving. I hate the razor bumps. I hate how it feels. There's just nothing better than having smooth and hair-free skin because it just makes you feel good, feel smooth as a baby, and you feel like just good to go. I'm so excited to be partnering with Salute on this video and talk about their new IPL laser that you absolutely have to get if you guys want smooth skin. The Salute Trinity i15 Pro is basically an easy way to do laser hair removal at home with an IPL laser. Most IPL devices on the market only have a single light source, but this one has a dual light source, so it's really gonna enhance the energy and the output speed so you have a quicker hair removal process. It has a PHR mode, and that basically delivers a 4-pulse burst of 27J energy output. And in girly terms, that basically just targets all the stubborn hairs and creates a faster, more effective hair reduction. It has clinically proven 97% hair reduction with up to 2 weeks. Like, girl, that is quick. That is what we want. We want quick and fast results. It does have an upgraded Sapphire 5.0 cooling technology. It cools your skin surface to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, which is honestly pretty amazing, and it helps with any type of burn or irritation because some have sensitive skin. I have really sensitive skin and this does not burn or irritate me whatsoever. And the app is super easy to use. It is an AI generated smart app and it creates treatment plans for you. It reminds you of like when you need to do your laser treatment once a week, and it also has a really good user guide. It's just so pain-free, it's so much better, it saves a lot of money, and it's so convenient to do it in your house. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it so you guys can get nice and self-care, and you can just feel so good having like just such good hairless skin. When you get your box, you get everything that you need in it, everything that you need to charge it, to charge the device. You get a bunch of user guides, you get a razor, which is very, very important. And then you obviously get the Trinity i15 Pro. You definitely want to make sure you prepare your body the proper way. So I always recommend using the razor that they send you in the kit and just shave off any visible hair that is on your skin and for any area that you're going to treat. And make sure you put on the glasses that they give you in the box. This is just gonna help you with any type of damage that is caused to your eye by the flash, but if you have the glasses on, you're good to go. You wanna make sure you have the device placed at a 90-degree angle so you're really able to get all of the hair and that it works properly. I personally like to use the automatic mode, so I just glide it on my skin and I do stamping motions as well, and then you are good to go and you're done with your laser hair removal. You guys just saw me completely do my laser hair removal for the week, and it was honestly so painless. I didn't feel really anything. I have been able to up my intensity level to a 5, so I feel just like a slight pinch, but it's nothing that is completely unmanageable. It honestly does not feel bad whatsoever. So that is my little laser hair removal routine for my self-care evening. It's literally just perfect for summer. It is painless. It's so convenient to do it at any area in your home. I just honestly, I love it so, so much. So very excited about it. As always, everything is linked down below for you guys to shop if you guys are interested in any of it. But your girl is getting hungry, so let's go cook some dinner. This may not look the most appetizing, but I promise you it's so good and it's like hitting all my protein goals. It's like 70 grams of protein. This is a chicken apple sausage from Costco and I air fried it. And then these are noodles, but instead of just putting like the pack of cheese in the noodles, I mix it with cottage cheese like in a blender, and it's crazy protein. It might not look the best, but it tastes really good. So this is my little quick self-care meal. It's definitely girl dinner. Just finished my food. I honestly, 10 out of 10. It was so good. Also, you guys have to let me know what you guys think about my new camera. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It literally follows me, which I feel like is pretty cool, and I can also take the tracking off because sometimes I don't want that, but I literally love it so much. I am such a huge fan so far. So if you guys like the quality and stuff, you have to like let me know what you think, because I don't want to take away from like the quality of my videos and stuff. But it is shower time. I'm not gonna wash my hair tonight. I got my hair done on Tuesday, so I feel like it's still pretty fine. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow night, but I definitely want to take a nice shower and scrub my body. I'm gonna put my hair up in this scrunchie because that's what I do. I've never been a shower cap girl. A lot of people have shower caps and they love them, and I wish I love them, but I just can't. I'd rather just put my hair up in a big high bun and use that as my way to not get my hair wet. So we are ready. This is everything that I'm gonna use in the shower. I'm gonna use this Way body scrub. I love this stuff so much. It's St. Bart's. Smells So good. It's like the perfect summer smell, and I love the body mist too. So I'm gonna use this to scrub my body because I need that. This is just my go-to face wash, CeraVe, and then I'm going to make sure I use a bunch of this tonight. I just refilled this. I literally go through so much of this stuff. It's the best stuff ever, but I'm gonna use a lot of this because I'm scrubbing, so I really wanna like nourish my skin back to how it was before. Cheers to a good self-care shower. I'm back. I think there's nothing better than having a freshly scrubbed body and knowing all that dead skin is off of you. But we have so much work to do, you guys. Look at all of this. This is not my best work right here. I have been struggling with hormonal acne for quite some time now, and I've really just been trying to figure it out. It really only happens like around my period, and my period just ended a few days ago, so it looks worse on camera. It's really not this red in person, but I did just pop too, so I'm not gonna lie there. But I just want to do some basic skincare. I've been loving this Pharmacy honey milk. They sent this to me, and it's been such a staple in my skincare, so I'm gonna use this. It's been really hydrating for me, so we're gonna go in with this to start. This has also been such an amazing find. It's by Caudalie, and it's the Vino Hydra Hyaluronic Serum. I use it morning and night, and I really, really like it. Pretty sure I have like one last drop in my moisturizer, but I did restock it during the Sephora sale. But like, I'm squeezing it to death. I got the biggest size in my haul because I use this stuff a lot. Like, I love this moisturizer. It's so freaking fantastic. I'm gonna put a little bit of this clindamycin gel from my dermatologist on the affected area and try to get it to not look like this. We just took an everything body shower. Now we gotta finish it off and do a little bit of LED light to get rid of all of this. I just put my LED mask on. I know I look absolutely crazy, but it's for the vibes. I am gonna turn it on now and make my little sweet treat that I want to eat after I'm done with my mask. The hardest thing about this thing is just wanting to itch your nose, even though it's not that big of a deal. My sweet treat is very simple. All you need is Greek yogurt. I get this from Costco because it's so cheap and so good. And then these Lily's milk chocolate chips. You can also get the dark chocolate ones if you want, but I just like these better. And it's literally 1 gram of sugar. Completely finish this. I do finish like one every single week because it's the best. And these are actually phenomenal, so I definitely recommend having a fun little sweet treat. And this is probably a little over a cup, so it's about 20-ish grams of protein, I would say, for like 90 calories. Very, very amazing. And then for the chocolate chips, I kind of just put a little bit. I mean, that's not a crazy amount, but just have to watch the calories on it. But there's no sugar, which is very nice because sugar before bed makes me have a headache in the morning. This is pretty good dessert and very high in protein and no carbs really. Okay, I'm back. I literally could not take myself seriously talking to you guys with that freaking mask on. I also feel like I just couldn't like fully move my face. So here we are, and I have my Greek yogurt with my chocolate chips. So I feel like we should pick a show, and I also want to talk about some recent goals and just kind of like some habits I've been implementing to really help with like just my overall lifestyle, healthy habits, healthy changes. Obviously this is a very like good video for like taking care of yourself and like really having like a good self-care night, but self-care goes beyond just the evening, so I kind of want to talk about that. Okay, so recently I have been so good about just taking care of myself. I've been walking 10,000 steps a day. I have like a little walking pad that I use while I'm working, and I have like my computer set up, so that's been so nice for me. I've been hitting my protein goals. I've been working out, doing my Sculpt Pilates every day, and I just have been really enjoying it, and I feel like very inspired and motivated. And I know this might sound so cliche, but like getting this new camera, it's been so helpful for me to just feel like I can like vlog more in public and not have like a huge camera with me. It doesn't feel like as inconvenient, if that makes sense. Like having something a little bit smaller feels so much more convenient for me to like show my passions and stuff. And Dolce is literally humping Delilah right now, guys. Like I cannot make this up. These dogs keep me on my toes. Also, on a happy note that I can talk about right now, I was just promoted to vice president of Goria Corporation, which is my parents' company, which is a huge thing to accomplish at 23 years old. So I think that's safe to say that I'm doing very well in the business world and I know what I'm doing. And so that makes me very validated that my parents trust me to carry on such a huge legacy that my dad started back in 2003. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I basically do anything and everything. I do a lot of stuff with our manufacturing centers that are located in a couple states, and it's just so much fun. And then I get the fun side of it, right? Which is like the influencing world. So I get to like wear construction vests and like construction boots, but then I also get to like glam up too. So I feel like I have the best of both worlds with like both of my, well, YouTube isn't like a job. I don't treat it like a job. It's like a hobby, like something I just like love to do, but it's considered a job because you make money from it. So I'm just really happy with a lot of things happening right now. I'm starting to work with a lot of brands that I've been looking like up to, like Lululemon literally just reached out to me. I'm working with them in an upcoming video. How freaking cool. Not a YouTube video, but other type of content. I've just been so consistent this year, and it's really paying off, and like showing my passions and really upping my game in a lot of things has been so helpful. So this is your motivation to keep pushing, and that your efforts that you're putting into your work and your life and everything are not going unnoticed, but some things do take longer than others. And it's just important to remember to keep the drive, keep going, because you will be rewarded. Like some way or another, you will be rewarded. All right, that's my motivational talk. Those are some habits. Those are some good things happening in my life right now. And I'm gonna figure out what I wanna watch because I don't know. I finished Love on the Spectrum, which is literally my favorite show. Obsessed with it so much. I have such a heart for people that are on the spectrum and just people with any type of disability because of my dad, you know, having a disability. So it just is such a good show, and it makes me so happy that they are able to find love. Like, I literally cry. I love it. But I don't know what to watch now. I feel like lost. I think we'll just stick to some YouTube. I think that's just what we're gonna do. Officially ready for sleeping after an amazing evening of self-care and like rejuvenation. I feel so good, and I feel like I just like spent a whole night like investing into myself, which is the best. I'm in bed and I just filled up my water, so it's going to be a good night's sleep. I've gotten in this like really weird habit of like waking up constantly in the middle of the night to drink water, and it's probably because I'm dehydrated, so I'm working on more electrolytes throughout the day and that kind of thing. But it would not be an evening routine if I didn't fill up my 5-minute journal, because you guys know I've been doing this for years. I love it. It's helped so much with the way I view things, my perspective, literally everything. So we're gonna fill this out. I always take the biggest chug of water before bed in hopes that I won't wake up to drink the water, but I'm probably still going to wake up. Also, look how cute my Hydro Jug is. I have like the pink checkered one, which I love, but I decided to do a custom one, and it's just like this beautiful pink color. I got this like middle of January. Yeah, like January like 15th-ish, around that time. And I got it. It says Habibti because that's what my dad calls me. Of course, you guys know. Middle Eastern girl over here. So how adorable is that? I love this thing so much. But that is it for this little self-care evening routine. I had so much fun. I literally feel great. I did laser, I scrubbed my body, I feel so clean. I did some LED, I have some eye patches on, and I was just able to hit my protein goals, which is obviously ultimate self-care, and then just like spend some time with myself and with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been so much fun to film. I love doing these. Anything and everything that I have used throughout the video, I'm going to link it down below for you guys to shop if you guys are interested, whether it's the laser or the mask that I use or any of the skincare or anything like that. It's all linked down below for you guys. So I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure I've said this before, but I feel like I need to say it again for people who do not understand it, and this video completely embodied that, and it's that you are the best investment. So continue to invest in yourself. Having nights like this, like that I did tonight, are what keeps me rejuvenated for the days where I have such busy and crazy work, because you guys know it's constant for me. Like, I run a huge company for my parents, and I do my own stuff, my own company. So it's just these moments make all of the other moments worth it, because I'm really able to like hone in and like focus on myself. I could literally talk about that subject for hours, but I'm gonna let you guys go. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye.